Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. There was something over here. I think it's gone now. Anyways, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos. You guys are so awesome. I just love you all. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my vlogs, and I will make sure to keep uploading for you all. So I just woke up. It's almost 7:30 right now and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for today. So guys, I just got ready, went for the red lips and simple eye makeup, and yeah, I just love this look. And I would like to show you my new Apple dock / iPhone holder. It is really cool and I would highly recommend you to buy this if you have Apple Watch and iPhone. So this is my charging stand for my iWatch and iPhone 6, and it is really cool. It doesn't come with the wire, obviously you have to buy the USB cable, and it looks so chic like this. And I got the rose gold color, as you guys can see. So it looks like this without the phone, and when you put this over here it looks like this. And here's the Apple Watch charging port. Basically you just put your iPhone right over there and voila, looks so nice. I just love it. Highly recommend this Apple charging stand. 10 out of 10 guys. Yesterday guys, it was super cold and I almost felt like I was going to get sick, so I just blast the heater on high and I'm so much better now. So now I'm gonna take this with me because my heater is still not working. I'm still using this portable heater. So let's go. So it's breakfast time and I have already cooked my breakfast. Let me show you what I'm eating today. So today I am eating toast with some butter and some leftover chips, boiled eggs and a sausage. It looks so delicious and I just can't wait to eat this. Yummy! Just finished eating my breakfast. That was delicious, and I also watched Shrestha's new vlog and it was really fun. I think he's going to do daily vlogs or something like that, which is a yay. I just love him. He's a very good vlogger and a very funny guy. Makes my day every single time. So definitely go and watch him. I will leave his link in the description bar below for you guys if you haven't seen him or watched his videos. So guys, it's lunch time and today I'm going to do a mukbang video for you guys because you guys love watching my mukbang videos. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys. And today I'm eating this. I'm eating chiple bendara aloo ko curry, some steamed broccoli, spinach, some cucumber, tomatoes and carrots with rice. Yummy! Looks so delicious and I just can't wait to eat this. Let's go ahead and eat together guys. So let's go ahead and eat this. By the way, I'm also eating this chocolate after my food, so yeah, that's my treat, and I've got water as well. Let's go ahead and eat this. Chiple benta is my favorite vegetable. This combination chiple bentara aloo ko is the bomb. And by the way, this is steamed broccoli. I didn't add anything in this, just steamed. And this is spinach. What is your favorite vegetable? You know, me, I love vegetables, all kinds of vegetables, to be honest. But to name few: broccoli, chipleventa, potato, and peppers, green peppers. I love sag as well. And obviously my favorite, tomato. I can eat tomato with everything, to be honest. Just a quick question, do you guys also eat rice every single day? Me personally, I like to eat rice once a day, at least once a day. I can't eat twice a day, but definitely once a day. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm a messy eater, to be honest. And also let me know, do you guys as well eat your food with your hands? You all know how much I love to eat rice with my hands. Last bite is the best bite. All gone, guys. Just licking my fingers and the plate, obviously. Just gonna drink some water. And finally, I'm gonna eat this chocolate. Whoops! Ooh, it's in pink color. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a try. That's really nice. Me, I just like to eat some sort of sweet, you know, after my lunch or dinner. I don't know. It's my thing, you know. That was so good. So guys, my plate is clear and that was delicious. Thank you so much for watching my mukbang videos, and yeah, see you in a bit. Just finished eating my lunch, guys, and it was so delicious. I just love chipleventa and aloo ko curry, and oh my god, it was so satisfying and I am so full right now. I like to eat lots of Nepali food, so definitely let me know which Nepali food I should eat next in the comments down below. So I just finished chopping and preparing the ingredients for Chowmein. My husband, he loves Chowmein, so that's what I'm gonna cook for him for his lunch. Just adding the hot water so that the noodles can cook fast. I'm gonna gonna let it cook for around 8 minutes and then I will start cooking. So the noodles are ready, guys, and it is perfectly cooked. And if you will ask me how do you check if it's perfectly done, by eating it and testing it if it's cooked or not. But the key to make perfectly cooked noodles is you have to add hot water and then let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. So in that way it will be 100% cooked and will taste yummy. So my chow mein is done, guys. I have added sausage, egg, and then some onions in here. And I have already uploaded a recipe for chow mein, so definitely go ahead and check it out. I will leave the link in the description bar below for you guys. It is really easy to make chow mein and tastes delicious, so definitely give it a try. Yesterday I forgot to show you this on my Singapore haul, but this is also a gift from my brother. He got this keyring for me and it is super cute. Look at this cute little boy in his suit and pink bow tie. It is really cute. It has, you know, little balls and stuff, and there is also a bell with jingles and I love it. There is also a pink flower. It is super cute, guys. So thank you, Biku. It is so cute and I just adore this keychain. Okay guys, you already know these flowers are so dry and they are dead as hell. So I'm gonna remove this and put my Yankee candle back in here. It is too dry to keep, and yeah, it is really sad, but it needs to go. It looks very horrible right now. Anyways, thank you, Babu. I'm gonna throw this now. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my daily vlogs. Please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell as well. And I love you all. Bye. See you tomorrow.